was like, did someone bring their dog?
Fallon filmed John doing this. It's already going.
God,
That's creepy.
where the fuck is his dog coming from?
Oh my gosh!
I'm not sure I like that.
Get out of here!
Let me get out of the way.
Amy. Apparently she got pulled over for nothing because she's a sweet little angel.
I couldn't do that and keep a straight face.
That's creepy.
Too creepy. I didn't know that Cabbage Patch Babies had
Ass
signatures
Jail
on their ass.
tattoos.
Baby!
Baby!
Baby! If you don't say the baby,
Then
if
don't
you
say
don't say
it
it
all.
at all. Baby!
I was gonna go get that.
Have you ever played Black Ninja?
I was gonna
What did the Black Ninja say?
I was gonna go get the little League.
Bow chicka wow wow.
These could be used as erasers.
Adam.
Alan,
Alan. If I get hit, someone is going down. I can't handle it.
Please don't hit me.
Ow! I heard that. It was either the baby's or Madeline's head. That's hollow. There's the stains on it.
MacGyver?
Huh?
MacGyver?
what is wrong with the baby?
I don't know.
Oh shit, what's wrong with the baby?
Hemorrhoids.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Something's
shit.
wrong with the baby, guys. Guys, something's wrong
Madeline.
with the baby's face.
I have to pee.
Are you okay?
I would be scared to walk to the bathroom right now.
What's funnier than a dead baby?
No! You start crying.
2 dead babies. What's funnier than 2 dead babies?
3 dead babies.
Nothing!
Oh man, this is tragic. Fallon, look.
What happened to the baby?
John got it.
Whose baby is it?
I don't know. Some poor child's probably gonna start crying when they see this.
No, dude, what are you trying? You trying to? I want this baby to be honored in its death. Give it back. Let it fly off.
Give me the foot.
This is my baby foot. This is my baby.
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't tell people that.
Dude, that's not funny. What? Kenzie.
Alright, I got
You okay?
My hands are bleeding.
Back on it. Put it back on. Ow!
My nail.
Someone is good.